Now I am going to explain here the first question, how to find out inverse of a matrix, which matrix is given here. Matrix A, it is 1 minus 1 2 3. You can do any one operation, column operation or row operation, it's your wish. But if it is given in the question that by using ERT, then you have to do only row operation. Now here row operation is used here. The row operation, that means definitely I should be placed in place of X. That means A is equals to IA. Now A is this one, I is 1001 and A is here. Now what we have to do, we have to convert this matrix into identity. हर एलिमेंट को आइडेंटिटी में कन्वर्ट करना है. That means it should be 1 0 0 1. Now how to do? We have to recall for row operation 3 processes are there. Any one you have to use here. Now here I have used R2 tends to R2 में change करेंगे because R1, this is your R1. R1 का first element is 1, which is proper element. We don't have to change it. That's why we have to come to the next element, it is 2. And 2 should be converted into 0 with the help of 1 because it is R2 and this is R1. 2 can be converted with the help of 1. That means I have explained third operation, Ri tends to Ri plus minus Krj. 1 को 2 से multiply करोगे, it will be 2, and 2 when going to subtract with 2, it will give you 0. That's why I have written one operation, R2 tends to, because 2 is going to be R2 minus 2 R1. 2 minus 1 into 2, it will be 0. 3 minus 2 into minus 1, that is 2. 3 plus 2 will be 5. The same thing is also applicable with this matrix also. 0 R2 minus 2 R1 minus 2 into 1, that means it will be minus 2, and 1 minus 2 into 0, it will be 1. Both are going to be changed simultaneously. Okay, then after now we get 1 minus 1 0 5. 1 is at proper place, 0 is also at proper place. Now we have to change 5. 5 should be converted into 1. How it is possible? 0 and 5, this is your R2. R2, if we divide R2 by 5, we will get 1. Now it can be written as R2 tends to 1 by 5 R2. R2 can be multiplied by 1 by 5, or it is called R2 can be divided by 5. So 0 by 5 is 0, 5 by 5 is 1. It is equals to 1 0 minus 2 by 5 or 1 by 5. Only you have to keep on checking of this matrix. Don't check this matrix because this is your aim. It is simultaneously going to be changed only, and it will give you inverse. No need to check this matrix. Only you have to do the operations. What operation you are using here, that will be applicable to this matrix only. Only this matrix should becomes identity. Therefore, you have to keep checking this matrix always. Now 1 0 1, all three are at proper place. Only minus 1 should be converted into 0. How it is possible? By row operation, because now minus 1 can be changed with the help of 1. That means R1 can be changed with the help of R2. Minus 1 plus 1 will be 0. Therefore R2 here can be written as R2 plus R1. 0 minus 1 is 0. The same thing is also applicable here. Minus 2 by 5 plus 1, it will be R1 1 plus minus 2 by 5, it will be 3 by 5, and 0 plus 1 by 5, it is 1 by 5, and R2 is as it is, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. Now children, here I told you earlier, when this becomes your I, then the changed matrix will become inverse of a matrix, because the concept is A into A inverse is equals to I. That's why this transformed matrix is your inverse of a matrix. That's why it is written as A inverse is equals to this one, and this is your answer. That's it.